Miller FILTAIR MWX is designed to improve compliance in the most demanding environments. Ideal for fabrication shops, manufacturing, repair work, and training centers where mobility is needed, the FILTAIR MWX system can be easily moved around your workspace. The easy-to-operate balanced arm design allows for accurate positioning and easy tool-free adjustments. Most fume extractors have airflow rated at the blower for a nominal rating. The FILTAIR MWX nominal rating is 1200 CFM. The MWX also has an AccuRated True Accurate Airflow measured at the inlet of the collection arm of 875 CFM. External brackets on the collection arms allows for easy maintenance and long-lasting operation. They allow air to pass through with less resistance, giving the operator stronger airflow. The MWX-S offers an automatic pulse cleaning cycle, cleaning the filter from the inside out when the machine is turned off, extending filter life by up to 8 times. The particulate disposal bin provides easy and convenient access to empty out collected particulate. Handles release the drawer, allowing it to slide out. The MWX-D offers a disposable filter for small arc-on-time applications. Filter replacement is also made easy with a convenient locking mechanism for easy access to the filter and tool-free replacements. The metal cabinet design ensures long-lasting durability even in the toughest environments. A built-in tool tray provides workers with a convenient area to place their tools without them rolling off the unit. Large rear wheels allow for easy movement from one work area to another, and the lockable swivel caster wheels allow the system to stay stationary during arm movements. Miller FILTAIR MWX.